Just create these animation videos, then add them to your upload schedule. Take a look at this channel. One of its videos has already crossed 1.6 million views, and many of its other uploads have also reached millions of views. Post them on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere your audience is active. You can create these videos completely by yourself. Just follow the exact process and Today, I'll show you a 100% free AI image generator and a free AI video generator. You can create text-to-image, image-to-video, and text-to-video content without spending a single dollar. Yes, what I am going to show in this video is completely free, so don't skip any part of this video. Every section contains an important tip that will help you create better AI content faster. Watch until the end master prompt. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. As you already know, I've included the master prompt in the description below. This master prompt includes everything you need. You'll get high-quality AI image prompts, AI video prompts, and even voiceover prompts in one place. I'll explain how to use each part later in the video. Now, simply copy this prompt and paste it into AI Claude, click Generate, to create your result. If the AI tool asks for a reference image first, don't worry. Open the animation channel I showed you earlier and take a screenshot from one of its videos. Upload that screenshot as the reference image, then click Generate again. The AI will analyze the reference and understand the visual style automatically. After that, it may ask whether you already have a story. If you don't, simply type, "Give me any story," and hit Enter. Let's start with the first step, image generation. For this, we're going to use a completely free AI tool that lets you generate high-quality images without spending a single penny. Go to Google and search up the model scope. Open the website and sign in using your Google account. You'll arrive at the dashboard. You'll see several AI tools available, but you don't need to use any of them. Simply click on the See Vision section at the top. Inside, you'll find both the image generation and video generation features. You can generate videos here as well. However, I'll show you an even better 100% free AI video generator later in this tutorial. Click on the image generator for now. You'll see two options, Advanced Generator and Instant Generator. I recommend choosing Instant Generator because it's faster and perfect for this workflow. You'll also see several AI models to choose from, but I recommend sticking with the default model. It works perfectly for this workflow and delivers excellent results. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose any style you like and click Generate. As you can see, the image looks fantastic. Even though this is a completely free AI tool, the image quality is surprisingly impressive. Now, repeat the same process for the remaining prompts. Now it's time to generate the video. This tool also includes a video generation feature. However, after testing it myself, I found that it takes much longer to generate videos. That's why we're going to use a faster free alternative instead. Now I'll show you the best AI video generator for this workflow. Open Google and search for Flow AI. In my experience, it's one of the best tools for creating high-quality AI videos. Once you're inside Flow AI, import the image you just generated. Click the three dots on and select Add to Prompt. Now, copy and paste the matching video prompt into the prompt box. Next, switch to the video mode and select the Omni Flash model. Set the video aspect ratio to match your project, choose a 10-second duration, and then click the Generate button. Now repeat the same process for all the remaining prompts. Just copy and paste each video prompt, attach the matching image, choose the same settings, and click Generate. Once all your videos are generated, download every clip to your device. Then open your favorite video editing app and import them in order. Arrange each clip to match the story, trim where needed, add smooth transitions, and make sure every scene flows naturally into the next. In just a few minutes, you'll have a complete, professional-looking video ready to publish.